Namaste, friends. This is Nisha Thakur here, and I'm an online tutor. I'm the founder of Nisha Tutor. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve linear equations when given variation form. So, one application of solving linear equation is variation, and often different events are related by what is called the constant variation. For example, the time it takes to travel a certain distance is related to how fast you are traveling. The faster you travel, the less time it take to get there, and this is one of variation problem. We will look at three types of variation here, and variation problems have two or three variables and constant in them. The constant usually we noted with k. And okay, so shall we start the question here? Here first question is, M is various directly as N. Various directly, it means here divide. So M upon N equal K, where K is constant. Okay. So this is our formula. When given various directly, it means divide. Okay. Now here, y is inversely proportional to z. So y here and z multiply. Okay. Inversely proportional means tells multiply. Okay. Now third one. A varies jointly as x and y. Varies jointly, it means here A divided by this product. Jointly means this product x, y equal k. So we have three types of questions here. Mm, when given various directly, it means divide, and inversely proportional, it means multiply, and various jointly, it means divide, and divide by what? Product. Okay. So here three varieties. Okay. Now here question is, find the constant of variation and write the formula to express the relationship using that constant. W is directly proportional to Y. Directly proportional, it means divide. Okay. And first we can set up the formula. Okay, find the constant of variation first. So first write formula and then find out constant of variation. Here given values, W is 50 and Y is 5. So we can easily find out K value. K value is 10. Okay, so this is our answer. K equal 10. Now this is second question. C varies indirectly as D. So here actually C multiply with D. Indirectly tells us multiply and K. So we wrote this formula, and now we can put value and find the constant. What is C value? Yes, 4.5, and D value 6. So you can multiply and find out the answer. So we get 27 equal K, or K equal 27. This is our answer. Now third question. So X is jointly proportional to Y and Z. So jointly proportional. Jointly, it means here divide by this Jointly means y multiply z, and proportional it means divide. So y z, and this is k. Okay. So this is our formula, and we can put value x, y, and z. What is x value? 48. What is y value? 2. And what is z value? 4. And we can easily find out this. So this is 2 times 4, 8, and 8 times 6, 48. So what is k value? What is constant here? 6, right? Easy question, isn't it? Okay. Now here, solve each of the problem variation problem by setting up a formula to express the relationship, finding the constant, and then the answering the question. So here is the question. The price of an item varies directly with the sales tax. Okay. If a $25 item has a sales tax of $2, what will the tax be on a $40 item? So here, read carefully first sentence. The price of an item varies directly with the sales tax. So price, we can underline this and this one. So we can denote price of an item P, and sales tax T equal K. So first we have to set a formula, and then we can find out constant. Okay. So first one done, and now second this, and then answer the question. Okay, so what is P value here? Price of an item, $25. And what is here sales tax of it? 2 equal K. Now we can easily find out K value, constant. So this is 12.5 equal K. Now here says what will the tax be on a $40 item. So here we have to find out tax. So what is p value? P value is 40. Now we can divide by t, and we have to find out this. K value we already found, which is 12.5, and mm, now t is here divide. So other side multiply. So 12.5 t this. And now we have to make isolate t. So for this we have to divide. So 40 divided by 12.5 equal t. So what is t value now? 40 divided by 12.5, we get 3.2 is t value. This is tax. Okay. If item cost is $40. Okay, here is the next question. The speed or rate Joshi travel to work is inversely proportional to time it take to get there. If he travels 35 miles per hour, it will take him 2.5 hours to get to work. How long will it take him if he travels 55 miles per hour? So here, if increase speed, it will take less time, right? Or if decrease like speed, so it will take longer time. So this is just inversely proportional. It means here, okay, speed or rate we can represent with R, and T means time, because inversely proportional it means multiply. One goes increase, second one is decrease. If decrease, this is increase, like that. Okay. And here constant case. So we wrote formula. Now we can put value and find out constant. So what is the rate here? It means the speed, 35. And what is your time? 2.5 hour. And we can easily find out k value, and which is 87.5. This is k value. Okay. Now here again write rt and k equal k. What is r value? R value 55 miles rate, and t we don't know what is time. K we already found, right? So both side divide by 55. 87.5 divided by 55. You can calculate and find the answer. Okay. So this is 1.59 hour. Okay. It will take 1.5 hour. Um, because when speed was 35 miles per hour, it took 2.5 hours, and now 55 miles per hour, it means speed increase, so time reduce, right? Here 2.5 hours, now less than 2 hours, correct? Okay, this is another question. The amount of simple interest earned on an investment varies jointly as the principal amount invested and the time it is invested. In an account, 150 invested for 2 years earned $12 in interest. How much interest would be earned on $220 invested for 3 years? So here, what is saying? Various jointly, right? The amount of simple interest earned. Simple interest we can write I, and various jointly as the principal. It means P, and time T. Okay. So various jointly here. So I, the amount of principal interest, and then principal and time. Here we can joint means product, and here divide. So this is the formula. Okay. Now we can substitute here values. So here interest is $12, and principal amount is $150, and for time 2 years equal k. So 150 times 2, 300, and 12 divided by 300, we get 0.04 equal k. So this is k value. Okay. Now, here says how much interest would be earned on a $220 invested for 3 years. So here, interest we don't know, we have to find out. Principal is principal amount $220, and time is 3 years. And what is k value? 0.04. Okay, here this is multiply, so 660 equals 0.04, and I means uh, interest on. We can multiply this because here this is divide, so other side multiply, and 0.04 times 660 we get 26.4, and this is our answer. Okay. So very easy, just remember keywords here. This one, various directly it means divide, inversely proportional it means multiply, and various jointly it means divide by product. Okay, so very simple questions. If you want more questions, so please write me. And if you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.